how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. Today we're going to make this wonderful pasta. We're going to make tomato, spinach and mushrooms. Really, really easy. You can use any type of pasta you want. It's not going to take long. Healthy, fast, tasty, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here then. So I've got some spinach there, fresh spinach. If you've got fresh spinach, wash it nicely in some cold water because it can get little bits of grit and dirt in there. You need to get them out. By the way, if you want to do this with a frozen spinach or canned spinach even, you can do it. Mushrooms, fresh mushrooms there, 1 can of tomatoes, 1 small onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, some oregano. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. Okay, so here we are at the cooker. I've got some olive oil in there. We're going to start off by dropping in our onions. And our garlic, and we're going to go on a medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, there you go. Our garlic is turning a nice golden brown. Onions are just getting going. We're simply now going to add in our fresh mushrooms, and again we're going to go for about another 2 to 3 minutes, and in that time I'm going to go and chop my spinach. Fantastic. And by the way, get your pasta ready. You can be using any type of pasta you want. We're really going to be concentrating on the sauce and just adding our pasta at the end. Okay, now time for my spinach, which I've chopped up. And it looks like quite a lot, but it will, as it cooks, break down. Let's go for another 3 to 4 minutes, stirring it away. We might get a little bit of water out of this. Okay, and that's cooking down really nicely. At this point we're going to get in our oregano, black pepper and some salt. Now if you want, you could be using something different. You'd have to use oregano. Try basil, tarragon, rosemary, thyme. All of those work. A few chili flakes maybe, if you like that sort of thing. Okay, and then our final thing here is that 1 can of tomatoes. Again, if you wanted, you could be adding in some tomato paste, puree or concentrate. I'm going to go just with this. I'm going to lower the heat to just above a simmer, and we're going to go for 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, that's been gently going for about 5 or 6 minutes. We're now going to add our pasta, and like I say, you can use any type of pasta you want. I'm using this one here. Spaghetti, tagliatelle, fusilli, penne, anything you want can go in that. Let's get the heat up to about a medium. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes and we're done. Okay, and that's done. Absolutely wonderful. Tastes fantastic. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.